What? Nubos yun agad yung carrot. Why?
That's baby.
You shouldn't feed all of them.
I think we should have got more. We should have got
Bungad pa lang tayo. Ubos na
No
yung
more.
carrots natin.
no more. Sorry.
Sorry.
Na naman sila.
Yeah. Yan na.
Gutom sila, gutom.
Gutom mo?
That's enough guys. Ano pa titakanan tayo?
Yeah.
Dapat na ba?
Wala na, baby. No more.
Yo, what is that? I think I know what
Oo nga.
because we got the saliva scent on us.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Nothing. No more.
Close the door. Oh, they're gonna attack
What's that?
us.
Uy. No more. I'm sorry.
You're probably gonna get destroyed.
Oh my gosh.
Kailangan natin pakarwash mamaya.
Oh.
We definitely need car wash after that.
Yeah, no more, baby.
Natakot ako.
Oh, I know why they're going to us because we got their scent on us.
Yeah.
They can smell. They can smell the carrot.
No, they
Buti
can
nga.
smell the
Walang
saliva
wala
scent.
siyang
Walang signal.
signal dito.
We're literally getting every.
Videoin mo na lang.
Videoin mo na lang.
Oh.
Yan.
gonna
Nag-feeding
get-
tayo na. Ay, si Bibi.
He's
Zero.
This
smelling.
Bambi.
Even the babies.
Don't hit the baby.
No,
Don't hit
nothing.
the baby.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Nothing. Next time.
No.
Gutom siya.
Look at that one. Look at that. It's a skinwalker.
Where?
Skinwalker. Skinwalker.
Bungad pa lang eh.
I'm sorry.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm sorry. No more.
Oh my gosh, it was insane. Daddy, you should have bought. You should have bought a lot of carrots instead of a few. You think they don't eat it?
Yeah, I thought they were not gonna eat.
See?
This morning, they're hungry.
They're too hungry.
Ito, inuulam to sa Pilipinas.
Ay, masarap.
Sigurado yan.
Some carrots.
Pati yan. Yan.
Oh, gansa?
Ganso.
Feed the
Ah,
ducks some
ganso?
carrots.
Daddy, you're gonna run over to the goose.
No, they know they're gonna move. They're smart.
I'm sorry. No more. No more carrots.
It's a juvenile.
No more carrots. I'm
It's a
sorry.
juvenile.
He's following us. He's smelling the scent.
Nothing.
Of the carrots.
Carrot. Baka yung nuts na.
It's a
amoy niya.
juvenile. It's a juvenile.
Sorry,
demon.
no more. Bye-bye.
What's wrong with that? That's it.
Oh, gutom na gutom sila eh. Oh.
Following us.
He's following us.
Ah.
You want,
yung
you want this
But
carrot?
I'm sorry. No more carrot.
Wait.
Same.
Just like I got to take a video. Garay.
Yeah, see?
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
Oh, lalapit naman to. Bye-bye.
No!
Look at
that.
Naamoy niyo yung carrot
Leave
eh.
him
Oh.
and don't eat him. Daddy,
Ang saya ko parang
I think we should go back.